afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and with me today is a 2021 Land Rover Defender 110S. This is finished in Pangea green metallic. It has a 20-inch full-size spare wheel. LED tail lamps. These are the 20-inch satin dark gray finish. Up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And back here at the driver rear, same as the front, no curb rash, no scratches, they look great. Passenger rear, this one just has a small spot there on the lip, a little bit of curb rash, that's about it. Other than that, really good shape. Tires have about 8/32 of tread life remaining. And front brakes measured at 9 millimeters, rear brakes measured at 8 millimeters. So doing good on all of those. Finally up here to the passenger front, great shape, no curb rash, no damage, no scratches. This has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Take you to the interior. Inside we have a khaki leather upholstery with cloth. Got Meridian sound, Land Rover all-weather floor mats. Got a folding split bench seat back here. Three-stage heated outboard seats, USB-C chargers, and a 5-volt charger there on the driver and passenger seat backs. Nice big panoramic sunroof. Some natural light windows back here for the second row. Bunch of storage up here for the driver and passenger. They're just above the glove box. Full touchscreen radio display here. This does have navigation, automatic gear selector, climate control, and 3-stage heated front bucket seats. USB-C chargers up here and USB charger. Additional storage down below. Wireless charge pad. And you have a cool box. So keep some drinks cold in there. Heated multifunction steering wheel. And a fully digital instrument cluster. Current mileage up there reads 23922. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. We have over 100 photos of this vehicle on our website, so please check those out, autoassets.com.